What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, how you doing? I have this amazing mask that I wanted to share today. Before we get into all of that, I hope you came here for that mask, but I hope indeed you'll be back again. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, take care of that business right now. Do that. Hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know the next time I upload, because I want you here. I want you here. Did I say that? Yeah, I do. So please make sure you hit the post notification bell and you will get a little bing the next time I have a video right here on this channel, because this is where we really just get down to the essence of beauty. Yes, indeed. And anti-aging is my biggest thing. Of course, maybe I'm now probably past the stage of anti-aging, but then again, I'm not, because anti-aging can start, when you hit your 20s. You want to hold back the process, as much as you can. Now, I'm not a fool. I'm no dummy at all. So I know that aging is going to come. Fine lines and wrinkles will probably come. But the thing you want to do is, age gracefully. Hold back that process as long as possible. How many people say, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get wrinkles. I can't wait to get fine lines. Nobody. We want to hold it back as long as we can. So now that takes me to today's video. If you're ready for it, we're going to dive right into it. Get right to this mask that I have on right here that you see. Yes, this is it. This is the one you want to try. So let's get to it and let's talk about the details of this mask, how you mix it up, and what to do, how to do. All right, let's get to it. So before any great mask, you must cleanse your face. Now, y'all may recall my Avon haul where I picked up the Rice Water Bright. This is the Rice brand gentle exfoliating cleanser. I have been truly loving it, and I love using it with my Duval facial brush. It is so gentle, and likewise the bristles on this brush is gentle as well, so they go hand in hand together. Just love it. After my face is cleansed, then we can go ahead and start preparing this mask. I'm going to take not even a half of the banana, because you don't need that much. It's just for your face, neck, and chest, so you don't need a whole lot of the banana. And I also scrape the peel of the banana as well, the inner peel. Then the next ingredient I put in this mask is orange juice. Just taking a little bit of the orange and about a tablespoon of the orange juice. Next, I put in honey. I use Manuka honey. It's great for the skin, great for anti-aging. Love it so much. And I also add in yogurt. But let me talk about the great benefits of each of these wonderful ingredients so you'll know why I love this mask so much. Now, bananas are great for the skin. They contain vitamin A, B, E, and potassium. Nutrients in the banana help your skin to fight against skin blemishes, dryness, and diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. Hence, anti-aging banana mask, okay? And the oranges contain citric acid, which even out your skin tone and will help to diminish any dark marks that you have or any pimples. And then the honey, love this Manuka honey, because it's going to help your skin fight against acne, pimples, and dark marks. Also, it will exterminate bacteria and even out your skin's complexion. The yogurt, if you're up in age like me, your pores tend to be more prevalent as you age. The yogurt is going to tighten up those large pores that make your skin look aged. So this is going to actually help your skin look smoother. And then I added a tablespoon or so of Besan, or you can call it gram flour. Besan can remove dead skin cells and also tighten the pores of your skin, making your skin look youthful and smooth. And Besan, or gram flour, whichever you wish to call it, it is highly effective in cooling and soothing the skin. It is ideal if you have skin problems. Now, after this mask is all mixed up, I applied it to my face, and y'all, I just took my time with it. I left this mask on 30 plus minutes. You don't have to be in a hurry. It's very, very skin friendly. For most folks, no problems. You can use this mask, and honey, when you rinse it off, you're going to be amazed. Love it so much. Instantaneously, you'll see a difference in your skin. I recommend using this about twice a week. You don't have to overdo it. It's just a little pamper me time to just, take it up just a notch in your normal skincare routine. Getting these natural, organic ingredients applied to the skin is going to definitely deliver you something that you can't get in a bottle, in a jar. This is something that you mix up at home that's going to be excellent for your skin. I do love it. All right, beautiful babes, how you like me now? Absolutely amazing, amazing bananas, honey, sour cream, or use yogurt like I did, orange juice, and one of my favorites, you can call it gram flour or you can call it Besan, but all of that together, yes, you're gonna love it. I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now, but I'll be back to you real soon. Make sure you stay in the know, and that's simply by subscribing to the channel. But if you really want to be in the know, make sure you hit that post notification bell. If you enjoyed today's video, got some value out of it, make sure you give me a thumbs up on the video. Let me know. Or either you can also, yes, drop me some hearts down in the comments. Beautiful babes, I'll be back to you real soon. I promise you that. So stick and stay, and I'll be back on my way making something good for you. Whipping it up. Yes, indeed. Anyway, I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, and please keep doing what you're doing. And that is, don't keep me no secret. You better share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one.